this is my rosemary and cloves water tea. It's so good for my hair, good for hair growth. I've got my dried rosemary leaves right here with me. So I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can make a rosemary tea. I got my jar, and then take a few leaves, like you can see. You can go ahead and put in your boiling water. As you can see, got your rosemary in here. Then you cover it, you leave it for 24 hours. Then when you come back, it will be ready to use. It has turned out, so I don't know if you can see. Let me go ahead and sieve it so I got my yes. Just going to so here's my ready to use rosemary tea. It is like this because it had taken longer time in water, so I'm just going to put it aside. So here is our other rosemary dried leaves, and our water is boiling. We're just going to put the rosemary inside the pot and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Our 5 minutes is over now, and I guess my tea is ready. I don't know if you can see it well or this thing is hindering you. So I'm just going to turn off the stove and take it to where I'm preparing. So I got my rosemary tea right here. I'm going to need a strainer to get this things out. The color, the texture is not the same as of that one that took a longer time immersed in water. If you want to use your rosemary tea as fresh as possible, this is how it looks like. I was going to leave this water and this rosemary leaf. Water was going to turn brownish and reddish, and after staying a longer time, it was now going to turn a deep brown like the one you just saw. So right now I'm just going to let it cool, and then I'll mix it with my other ingredients. My gloves. We got 2 hot boiling water. Then I'm going to put it. Going to let it settle for 3 days, and then after that I'll come back. This is how our cloves water looks like after 3 days. So I'm just going to remove the cloves and get the tea out of it. Right here like this. I'm gonna go ahead and have my cloves water. So I have my strong rosemary tea with my cloves water. So I'm just going to mix the two in this jar, and boom, my rosemary and cloves water is ready. And I'll be in a 7 days challenge. I'll be using my spray bottle to get this mixture right to my scalp with this beautiful bottle. You see, when I press it like this, the consistency of the flow of this will allow the mixture to go direct to my scalp without going to my hair. So I'm going to put this in a refrigerator, as I'll be using this in my 7 days challenge. So tell me in the comment section if you want to see me in my 7 days challenge or not. So thank you for watching until the end. See you again in my other hair videos. Thank you and bye.